In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. For people who already watched my videos, I will share with you guys new Fiverr affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate program step by step, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end, so you don't want to miss this information that I will share for free. Okay, let's get started. So it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links and I'm still making commission, and as you can see in my balance over here, I have $5,125 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, for people who are new to this business and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, go to Google, okay? Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next, just click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, as you can see, and as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Okay, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy, as you can see. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so after you finish, what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google, okay, and search for Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links for free. Okay, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so you should have an account like this one, and make sure to open a business account. Okay, not personal account, you need to choose Pinterest business account. Okay, so why I choose Pinterest, let me show you. If we click here, did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? 1 billion monthly visitors. Millions of people every single day are scrolling on Pinterest. Okay, you can get so much traffic to your affiliate links from Pinterest. Okay, of course, if you do it correctly using this method that I will share with you. Okay, so as you can see, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's really a lot. Okay, so anyways, after you finish creating your Pinterest account, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, so now I will share with you guys the method that I'm using to find profitable affiliate services that I promote on Pinterest to get a lot of commission. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link over here and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so we will use Pinterest trend to see what's trending in Pinterest in this month. Okay, so you cannot promote any services, we need first to check what's trending. Okay, so go to Pinterest trend, scroll down, choose which country you want to use. So if you want to target United States audience, choose United States, choose Canada, you can choose Italy, Spain, Germany, and so on. Okay, so for me, I will just I will use United States. Okay, I will scroll down, and you have here top trends in United States this month. Okay, those are the products and services that are trending in United States on Pinterest, okay, in this month. Okay, click over here and let's see if we can find some good services. Okay, so we have Valentine's Day. I think it's not trending right now. We have wallpaper, this one is trending. And we have home, we have nails ideas, hairstyle. Okay, let me see. We have wallpaper background. Let's check this one, wallpaper background. Let's scroll down. Okay, so first click over here and just select past 3 months. Okay, and let's scroll down, and you should see over here related trends. Okay, so we have this. Let's check this one, wallpaper, and we'll delete this wallpaper background. And this one, as you can see, this one is trending. Okay, this one is really good. It's keep going up, as you can see. Okay, so this keyword is trending in United States, okay, this month. So what I will do, I will copy this keyword, okay, like this, and I will go back to my Fiverr homepage, and I will click on the search, and I will search for wallpaper. Okay, search for wallpaper design. Okay, like this, and scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, like level 1 seller or top rated seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose good seller here. So let me see, we have this one, level 2 seller, but this one is about motivational quote, and that's not what we are looking for. I will design principal this one. Like this one is really good. I will design a custom wallpaper or more for yours. This one is good. This one is level 2 seller. I will click on his service. So just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, default and deep links. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this profile seller link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest homepage. Click over here on home feed. Click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. So what you will do, you will upload a picture about this service. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop. Double click, save image. Okay, and I'm gonna name it, for example, wallpaper, like this. Okay, I will go to Pinterest and I will click here and I will upload this picture. Okay, like this. Okay, and here you go, your picture will be uploaded like this. Scroll down, you need to put title, description and your affiliate link. Let's start with the title. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title like this, go back to Pinterest, put this title over here. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you should see about this gig. This is his description. Okay, so this is his description. So let me see, I will copy this part, I will copy this one, I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here like this, scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click over here on choose a board, and click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. Okay, so I already have those. I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags, okay, keywords. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down. Okay, so just keep scrolling down, and you should see over here related tags. Okay, copy those keywords like this. Go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Go back to this seller profile page and copy those keywords again. Those keywords are very important, guys. Okay, make sure to use those keywords. Okay, and I will choose, so let me see, wallpaper. We have also Pinterest will give you also matched tags, as you can see. So let me see, wallpaper. So just type here wallpaper, and Pinterest will give you matched tags, okay, that you can use. So I will use this one, wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, and make sure to use a lot of tags. Okay, so that's how you can add tags to your Pinterest pin. Okay, after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. Okay, this is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. So you just need to stay consistent if you want to earn commission, because if you promote just one affiliate link and you wait, that's not working. You will not get any commission. You need to stay consistent. At least if you have new Pinterest accounts, at least upload between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day on Pinterest. Okay, and if you stay consistent, you can get your commission. And you cannot promote just one service. Go and choose other services that are related. Do your own research, see what's trending, what's working. If you do it correctly, you will get a lot of commission. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. Make sure to check my other videos. I share with you how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. YouTube Shorts, and so much more. Okay, check my videos. I share all those methods for free, and that's it.